link in my description to these bulbs. You use the coupon code ZPTV and you get 15% off of your order. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I'm upgrading the lights in the wife's car. Now, this is the first time this one's been on the channel, so I guess this is the kind of official welcome. You've probably seen it in the background, but this is my wife's work car, back and forth, and the headlights are, well, stock. They're halogen, so they're not that great. Well, if you know me, I've got LEDs all in that, LEDs in that now, LEDs on the Jeep. I'm real big into LEDs because they're great. Well, I had a company reach out to me and wanted me to try out some of their LEDs. I'm always down to try anything new, especially with new brands, so I figured I'd give them a shot, and here they are. So this company is Auxito LED lighting, and they reached out to me and wanted me to try these out. So let's open these up. Got a little manual in here, just kind of telling you how it all works. Well, here are the lights. You can see we got the LED there. It's actually a flat, real flat pattern, a lot thinner than most I've seen. Pretty sleek, actually. They're not very big. I think the seating's about right there, so it's about like that. And then the ballast isn't very big. Then obviously you got your plug here. And the cool thing about these is you can actually adjust your beam. So this ring here, it can spin, and they give you a little Allen wrench. I believe it's right here, that little hole, and you can adjust where this ring is, and that adjusts how your light sits in there. So obviously you want it straight up and down. That'll get your beam pattern how you want it and not make it all over the place and blind everybody. So just a little bit about these lights. They are 16,000 lumens per pair. So I believe each one is about 8,000 lumens. They're 65K light output. So that should be a little bit whiter with a little bit of tint of blue. At least that's how they are on the truck, the 65K. I know some LED companies, the lighting differs, so we'll figure that out. Well, these are looking pretty good. I'm not gonna install them just yet. I want to give you guys a before and after at night. So it'll be like the halogen lights, show you the distance and the way the car looks, and then I'll install those real quick. It's real simple, and then I'll show you the after with the LED lights in. So next time you see me, it'll be nighttime, and I'll be showing you guys just kind of how underwhelming the factory lights are, and I'm sure you guys already know, but so let's get to it. All right, guys, so here we are. It's nighttime. I'm about to throw these LEDs in, but first I'm going to show you guys what this looks like with just the stock halogen. So I'm going to turn these lights off, get in there, turn this on, show you guys how it looks. All right, so here we are inside. Let me turn the lights on. All right, so you see I got quite a bit of stuff in front of it, but it's not very bright. I'll get you on the outside. As you can see on the outside, they're just plain old factory halogens. So I'm gonna get one swapped out, kind of show you a side by side. So let me hurry up and swap. I think I'm gonna do this driver's side first. So yeah, you can tell right off the bat that one is a lot brighter. It's actually mostly white, kind of like that. It's got a tiny hue of blue to it, and then you got your yellow gross one here. But as you can see, it's just so much brighter. That one's shining well over there. That one kind of stops about this area. That one's going just all the way on out there. So I'm gonna get that other one popped in, and it should be good. And there we go, guys. As you can see, these are bright. Like I said, they're about 8,000 lumens a piece, so 16,000 total. And they just They look a lot better. I love putting LEDs as an upgrade. I mean, you know, they kind of give a newer look to the car itself. I mean, this is a 2012, and it just makes it look that much newer, but they are bright. I might have to adjust them, but I'll figure that out more when we actually get on a road setting and I can point it at a wall, do all that good stuff. But I think that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. So yeah, the company was Auxito LED lighting. As it's looking right now, they're great. I mean, they're bright. They're real bright. They feel like they're made real well. The big old fan on the back of them, so I don't really think heat will be an issue. There will be a link in my description that if you click on it, there will be a coupon code that'll give you 15% off of your purchase. So go ahead and check them out. They have quite a different selection. I think these are kind of their mid-grade. I was looking through their site and they do have one that's even brighter, so I might check those out in the future and maybe do a review on those too. But these look like they'll do just fine. I'd like to thank Auxito Lighting for sending those out to me and giving me an opportunity to review them. You guys know me, I'm always down for new stuff, trying out new brands and everything, so I'll keep you guys posted. I'll probably do an update here in the next few months or so, see how they're holding up. But until then, go follow me on all my socials, Instagram, Twitter, my channel email if you need to contact me for any reason. All that'll be in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button if you like the content I'm putting out and you want to see more. Go check out some of my other videos. I got some pretty cool stuff out there. And again, the link in my description to these bulbs, you use the coupon code ZPTV and you get 15% off of your order. So be sure to check that out. And again, like I said, that's going to be it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.